Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever look up at the night sky and just feel small? Well, get ready to feel even smaller. Because today we're diving deep into the cosmic ocean to uncover 15 facts about our universe that are so bizarre. They sound like they're straight out of science fiction, but I promise you every single one is 100% real. From diamonds the size of planets to colossal structures that defy our understanding of physics, the universe is weirder and more wonderful than we can possibly imagine. So buckle up because we're about to take a journey to the very edge of reality and back again. Let's get started with our first unbelievable fact. Number 15. It rains diamonds on other planets. Forget April showers on planets like Neptune and Uranus. The immense pressure and high temperatures in their atmospheres are perfect for squeezing carbon atoms together. This process creates a literal downpour of solid diamonds that are thought to sink through the planet's slushy interiors. Scientists have even replicated these conditions in a lab, confirming the possibility of diamond rain. So, while you can't exactly go collect them with a bucket, it's incredible to think that trillions of carats are just raining down on a planet in our own solar system. Number 14. A single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Let that sink in. Venus spins on its axis incredibly slowly, so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete just one rotation. However, it zips around the Sun much faster, completing an orbit in only about 225 Earth days. This means that if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before a single day-night cycle had even finished. It's a prime example of how alien and different the worlds in our solar system can be. Number 13. There's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. That's right. Number 12. You cannot cry in space. In the microgravity environment of the International Space Station, tears don't fall. If an astronaut cries, the tears just form a liquid blob and stick to their eye. It won't stream down their face like it does here on Earth. Astronauts have described it as a stinging sensation as the ball of liquid grows. It's a strange small detail about life in orbit that highlights just how much we are adapted to living with gravity. Number 11. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules corona, Borealis's Great Wall. This isn't a wall made of bricks, but a colossal filament of galaxies, a galactic superstructure bound together by gravity. It's estimated to be an astonishing 10 billion light-years across. To put that in perspective, our own Milky Way galaxy is only about 100,000 light-years wide. This structure is so massive that its existence actually challenges some of our current cosmological models about how the universe is structured on the largest scales. These are the collapsed cores of massive stars, and they pack more mass than our Sun into a sphere that's only about 20 kilometers. Or 12 miles, in diameter roughly the size of a city. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's the weight of about 900 Great Pyramids of Giza. They also spin incredibly fast, some rotating hundreds of times per second. They're truly one of the most extreme objects in the cosmos. Number 9. Space is not completely silent. While the vacuum of space can't carry sound waves like air does, that doesn't mean the universe is quiet. Planets and stars emit powerful radio waves. Scientists have developed ways to convert these electromagnetic vibrations into sounds we can hear. The results are haunting and otherworldly, from the spooky whistles of Jupiter's lightning to the rhythmic pulse of a distant pulsar. The cosmos has a soundtrack. You just need the right kind of radio to tune in. Number 8. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. Everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, combined makes up just a tiny 0.14%. Our star is the undisputed king of the solar system. This immense mass is what creates the powerful gravitational pull that keeps Earth and all the other planets locked in their orbits. We are quite literally revolving around this single, dominant object. Number 7. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond together permanently. This is called cold welding. Here on Earth, there is a thin layer of oxidized material on the surface of metals that prevents this from happening. But in the vacuum of space, without that layer, the atoms of the two metal pieces have no way of knowing they are separate. They just join together as if they were one solid piece. This is something engineers have to carefully consider when designing spacecraft and tools for astronauts. Number 6. We have no idea what 95% of the universe is made of. Everything we can see, all the stars, galaxies, planets, and gas clouds, makes up less than 5% of the total mass and energy in the universe. The other 95% is a complete mystery. Scientists call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter provides the extra gravity that holds galaxies together, and dark energy is the mysterious force that's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. We can see their effects, but we have no idea what they actually are. Number 5. The largest volcano in our solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons, and it is a shield volcano that towers 22 kilometers, or nearly 14 miles high. That's almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is so wide that it would cover the entire state of Arizona because of Mars's lower gravity and lack of plate tectonics. Volcanoes can just keep growing in one spot for billions of years, reaching these monstrous sizes. Number 4. There is a planet made of burning ice. I know it sounds impossible. The planet Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf star. It's incredibly close to its star, with a surface temperature of around 439 degrees Celsius, or 822 Fahrenheit.
Ow!
So how can it have ice? The planet's immense gravity is so strong that it compresses the water vapor into a solid form, creating a type of exotic ice called ice tin, which remains solid even at scorching hot temperatures. Number 3. There are rogue planets wandering through space, not orbiting any star. These are planets that were likely ejected from their original solar systems during their chaotic formation. Astronomers estimate there could be billions, or even trillions, of these lonely worlds drifting through the Milky Way alone. They are dark, cold, and incredibly difficult to detect. But they represent a huge hidden population of planets in our galaxy. Number 2. The universe has a smell. According to astronauts who have been on spacewalks, the scent of space is quite distinct. When they return to the airlock and remove their helmets, they report smelling a mixture of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. This smell is thought to come from the byproducts of dying stars, energetic particles that cling to their suits, and the scent of ozone. It's the aroma of the cosmos itself. And finally, the number 1 most unbelievable fact about the universe. Part of the static on your old analog TV was radiation from the Big Bang. About 1% of that snow you used to see between channels was actually the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is the oldest light in the universe. The residual heat left over from the very birth of the cosmos about 13.8 billion years ago. So every time you saw that static, you were literally looking at the echo of creation. And there you have it, 15 facts that show just how strange, spectacular, and utterly mind-blowing our universe really is. It's a place of diamond rain, burning ice, and whispers from the beginning of time. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.